If you are looking for a home for you and your pets to enjoy, this is the one. This cute home is located off of Alabama Road in Lehigh Acres. This home features an open floor plan with an eat-in kitchen, 3 bedrooms and 2 baths with tile flooring throughout, along with a screened-in lanai that expands the entire length of the back of the home. There also a fully screened-in large front porch. You will love the fence that surrounds the whole property for your pets to run. The air conditioning duct work was replaced in the attic within the past few years. The location of this property is close to everything you need: shopping, doctor's offices, RSW and more.